Hello everyone, welcome to a tutorial or a showcase or something like that. We are going to talk about the best code editor today, especially Sublime Text 3. Well, it's obviously an opinion of mine that I find it the best code editor, because I'm just used to it, stuff like that. So let me show you how you install this. You will just go to Sublime Text 3, download. And just hit the sublimetext.com, and you just download the version that is highlighted, or the portable version. And when you install it, you can just drag it to your taskbar or not, and there you have it. You have Sublime Text installed. Now you have several shortcuts that you can use. Let's just start with a real quick one. So this is a syntax highlighting. Set syntax. I can show you this as well. Set syntax, and you can choose all the different kind of languages. But let's just use HTML. And what it now does is it loads snippets. Like when I type HTML, it definitely it immediately shows up the entire tags, basic tags of an HTML file when I hit tab. So I can just HTML and then hit tab on my keyboard, or HTML, and then the whole entire snippet loads. Now there is a way you can edit this as well. You can edit the snippet and add more tags in it, like links, and when you use jQuery a lot, you can say jQuery, you know. So let's talk about what you can do with this. I'm gonna install package control, and this allows me to control packages. So package control, alright, maybe I need to restart, I didn't read. So what I can do now is I have some package control commands. So let's install a package. And now I can install color schemes. I can install jQuery highlighting, because that is, I think, not included in Sublime Text, but I'm not sure. I'll just download it, so I will have it anyways. Installing package jQuery. Now you can install entire themes as well to make your whole Sublime Text look different as well. So I'm gonna install Boxy theme, and it is installing now, so it should take a while. And what you can do with Boxy theme is you can edit the sidebar. You can enable the sidebar by going to view and say sidebar hide or open, you know. And well, you can do some things here, you know, but you can even do the syntax highlighting by the normal menu. But I'll just use Ctrl-Shift-P, and that basically does the same. Just Ctrl-Shift-P, and then I can, you know, set syntax, stuff like that. Now, what we are going to use, it should be almost done, by the way, so hang on a second. Yeah, that's great. It's downloaded. That was, by the way, instantly. Now, Boxy theme activation. Yeah, of course. We need to activate Boxy theme. So I'll activate it, and there we have it. We have our theme. Now, I can choose between some, whoa, that's bright. Between some themes, but I found Tomorrow the best one. Now, I probably need to restart now, so yeah, that's right. So I restarted it, and as you can see, it kind of looks different. By the way, what you can do with Sublime Text as well, here it says open files, but I would just go to my documents and create a new one, say web development, and I'll just drag this one in here. And as you can see, we have a new file here, so new map, new folder, I'm sorry. I'll just press Ctrl-N on my keyboard for new, and say Ctrl-Shift-S. So that means save as, and then I will go to documents, whoa, not node. I will go to web development, and I can just say, because I'm saving it as all files, I can just say index.html or something like that, HTML, alright. And then we have an HTML file in our web dev folder. Now, this looks blue. I wanted a different color, so this way, I can do configuration, UI theme, and I can choose my theme and my color scheme as well. And maybe I can use accent. That's great. I want new mix. New mix looks cool. I want it a bit bigger, so I can just use this font L and icons. I can change the icons as well, and the size. Let's give it an XL size. That looks big. That looks nice. Now this should be fixed somehow. Let's use configuration again, and let's go bar flavors, bar margin maybe. Nah. So my bar is completely wrecked now. That's a bummer, really. No. Let's oh, I can change the background as well. Theme unified. Yeah, look at that. Look at this here. This is the bar, and I can say theme unified. And what it does with theme unified, it instantly installs another add-on. So let's go to let's go to install here, and install a Boxy add-on. I'm sorry. And let's go to widget font size. What's it? Change the font of the panel input. No, let's say font face now. All right, and maybe I should let's take a look. I don't know if it works. Boxy. Let's say preferences. Yeah, that's right. And now what I can do is I can also change my font size as well, but I can also say font face here. And I can change this to, let's say, Viracoda. I don't know if I installed it. No, I probably didn't. But as you can see, I can change the font here. Now, this is what? Anyways, I can change the font here basically. Oh, that's right. I also need to go to the font face installation folder. So I will need to go and say browse packages and go to font face, and I have tomorrow installed here, so I'll just open it up here, and I need to change the sans serif to let's say Viracoda. Yeah, that's right. And now I changed this one as well, so you can do that. You don't have to do that. Hey, my bar is fixed as well. So that looks pretty cool already, and well, you can do a lot of things here. So let's say this. All right, copy it. Great, awesome. All right, now I can say Control D, and it automatically searches for the next instance that has the same value. You know, this is JavaScript, HTML set syntax. That's right. Now, let's say a div called. Oh, by the way, you can say div dot. This is the class, so class, and then you can say ID, and when you hit tab, it changes into that class and the ID. That's also great. Same thing works with JavaScript as well. So set syntax JavaScript, then we just say ready, and we have jQuery document ready function, stuff like that. Now this is awesome, but you can also install Atom. Now, we're gonna use Atom code editor. Atom.io. Is it Atom.io? Yeah, it is Atom.io. I wasn't looking clearly. Now I'm gonna install Atom, and Atom is somewhat similar like Sublime Text as well. What you can do with Sublime Text as easily as Atom can is you can install package, and let's say SFTP, and what this does is it is installing an SFTP, and now I can say map to remote, and I can say FTP here, and I can say upload on save true, and I can fill in my website, human-touch.com, for example. Doesn't exist yet, but and then I can say user. I have no idea, human-touch maybe, and now I can type my password, and I can choose or not choose or leave it commented as well to have a port. By the way, I don't like this syntax highlighting. Epoxy theme schemes. No, I don't like it. So we should probably get another syntax highlighting. Now you can go to color scheme and choose the one you like Monokai or something, but that already changes the background as well, so you have to do that myself. Now this is Atom, guys. Atom is installed, and I can choose to install a package as well, and open installer and search for packages like SFTP and remote FTP. See, I can do the same thing here basically. So I don't know if we can install Fira code. I don't know if we can do that. So let's search change font in Atom. Fonts Atom. Alright, font package for Atom. Okay, this is great. Install the package. Yeah, what package? Fonts. Seriously, fonts. So I can just say fonts. And I think it's this one, Braver. Yeah, Braver. So install. And now it installs the package. I can also choose a theme, so we can do that as well. And add a snippet. You can basically do the same things. And what I like about Atom is that you can have split screen. Now you can have that with Sublime Text as well, but I don't know, it just works a bit smoother. Now it's still busy to install, but I think you get an idea of how this works, and you know, let's open a project real quick. Alright, so we can do this as well. Look at this. This is awesome. HTML, and it basically does the same thing. It even adds some metadata UTF-8, so that's cool. But it basically does the same thing. It doesn't show a minimap on the side, so that Sublime Text has a minimap here. But I bet you can download a package that has a minimap for Atom. So good luck with that, guys. That was a text editor, best text editor maybe. These two are definitely the best, I think. So have fun, good luck, and I'll see you guys next tutorial.